Respected principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Good morning to everyone. My name is Siti Dikapati. I am studying grade 1. Today I feel proud to speak about India's Independence Day. Every year we celebrate Independence Day on 15 August. On this day, 1947, India becomes free from British rule because of the great sacrifice of our brave freedom fighters. We remember great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. They love our country and work hard for our freedom. Our national flag is Tiranga. The silver color stands for courage. The white color stands for peace and truth. The green color stands for growth, and the Ashoka Chakra gives us to keep moving forward. We are the future of our nation. We should study well, respect our parents and teachers, keep our belonging clean, and always love and serve our country. Let us all promise to make India strong, clean,